the cookery class, which is basics of Italian cooking. So I'm excited about it. Let's see how it goes. So we are going to a place called Aripuram, which is Raja Annamalapuram, which is quite far from here. So I have to take a cab and go by cab by there. For the day, let's roll in.
This is how I teach cuisines generally. Okay, so yeah.
This is yours?
Yeah, that's why actually for that only I was, because the maida should not be seen.
Face towards, yeah, exactly.
No. You have to make sure it's.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
No, it's ऐसे कर लो, very कमी है.
हाँ इसलिए ऐसे ही कर रही हूँ ना.
The Italian sauce in gas. See, you just keep turning it like this, and then when it comes to the end, guys, see, you stitch it. Don't put too much, but just enough. Yeah, you can put the whole thing in. Now this is element number 1. This first element is ready, second element is ready, third element is the paneer. Bring it out, cook it in tawa, ready. Then you just have to bring it together, put it in the oven, done.
Just this looks amazing. No, this comes first. Yeah, that comes first.
Then.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it, no?
That has a different rise.
No, sir only told that nice layer of cheese.
Hey guys, I'm back from the cooking class. So today I made grape and olive focaccia, and then deconstructed bruschetta salad, tiramisu, red and white pasta sauce, the Alfredo sauce, and Italian sauce, and pesto paste, pesto bread. Yeah, everything we made today. It was a fun-filled class today. We had so much fun in making the Italian items. I made some friends as well, so it went very well today. So if this is something that you are looking for, then I will link down the description box below the link of the cookery class. Yes, so that you can also enjoy the cooking. Good morning everyone. So today we are heading out to the Mexican cooking class, followed by visit to the mall, and we are getting some groceries and running some errands like that. So it's gonna be a busy day today, so join me in this Sunday routine.
And if you guys go again, like if you guys eat dessert, you won't go again to the place where it's so heavy, right?
Very nice with cookery. That's very juicy. First போட்டோம்ல அந்த குட்டி குட்டி we'll do நம்ம இங்க கட் பண்றோம் நான் சொல்றேன் கட் பண்ணிடுங்க போதும் ஒரு டென்ஷன் சும்மா இதெல்லாம் இருக்கும் இது இப்படி நீளமா போடணும் and this is going to become another layer.
No, that is different.
It is bucket.
No, that actually.
Their milk is Arogya milk. So it's
Oh yeah.
Hatsun.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Same Hatsun.
Arogya and this is the same brand.
Yeah, Hatsun only.
You just have to build on recipes. That's it. Yeah. This will taste crazy, guys. It's fun. firm paneer, then it will be very hard. Milky Way sauce was fine. But still tastes very good in your.
Hi guys, I'm back from the Mexican cooking class. It was fun, it was good. So I gathered some experience from it, which I think it will be useful for me. So basically we made enchiladas and then Mexican rice, the Mexican paste, the Mexican salsa. What else did we make? Churros. It's one of the dessert. And then we made some kebabs, Mexican kebabs, and tacos, nachos. Yeah, it was a lot of things that we made today. It was really fun making today. I thoroughly enjoyed today's class. I had so much fun in making the Mexican dishes. I would recommend Cook Bake for their classes. So if this is something that you're looking for, then you can I will link down the description box. Guys, that's a wrap. So we will catch you on next week 4. We will see how it goes. Till then, goodbye.